One thing that would mean a lot to me is to see myself on the field and wearing a football jersey and being able to get the first minutes of the season. It's something that I'm looking forward to. Obviously, I didn't play the whole season last season, but I've had an injury like that. The difference is that one had occurred in December, but I only came back the next December. So it's like I only missed the last part of the season and the first part of the season. So I never really felt like I was out for the whole season. And for me, this is the first time that this happens, and obviously it brings a lot of doubt in my football career. It brings a lot of doubt in my life as well, in terms of can I still try and be back and do what I can do best and maybe get back into the national team and all the goals that I've set for myself. I'm also yet to see that, but it has done nothing but fueled my hunger because of the pain that I had to go through, the sacrifices that I had to make in 1 year. For me to find myself playing football again, it was not easy. It was close to impossible at some point. So me having to overcome that, I feel that I have overcome it, but obviously having to play and having to see myself be more regular on the field is going to actually stem that for me.